Hello internet friends. In this video I am continuing to inventory the contents of the wing kit that arrived on Friday. So far, what I've found is that most everything is still there. So all the big parts are there. I did find that fuel senders. I think it was 2 right fuel senders that I received, which obviously won't work. So I'll be contacting Vans and seeing what they want me to do. Maybe ship one of the fuel senders back, and so they can send me a left fuel sender. That's kind of annoying, but it happens. There's only 12,000 parts that have to go into this airplane. So I also hit the limit of my hangar internet. I found out that in about a week I go through about 5 gigabytes, which is as much as I bought from T-Mobile. So unfortunately, once you hit that, you have to go to a different computer. They haven't unblocked the T-Mobile website for you to be able to give them more money, amazingly. So I wasn't able to do that at the hangar. I had to go somewhere else. That being said, it worked pretty well until then. I also found I had an appliance, so the camera appliance that I have from Ubiquiti, it had auto updates turned on. So I'm not sure how much of the 5 gigabytes that thing sucked down, because I started out the week, I had like 2 gigabytes, and when I went back to the hangar, it was like at 4 gigabytes downloaded, and I was like, well, I only looked at the camera like 3 times, so I doubt that was a gigabyte, but maybe it was, I don't know. Again, I'm amazed at how relatively little space the wing kit takes up. I guess, it shows up in the crate, which, if you fold it 3-dimensionally in your mind, isn't actually that much space. But everything seems to fit on one of these rack shelves from Costco. Including the skins. The skin, I think the biggest skin is like 5 feet long, maybe 4 feet. So it fit on the top. Yeah, and now I'm looking at my shoulder, and this is a Mike Patey shirt advertisement. If you click on the link below, I make exactly $0 if you buy a Mike Patey shirt. So I'm not actually going to put a link below. I'm just making a late night joke. So I am confused by one of the things in the inventory, which is part number VB11, Victor Bravo 11. It says template on box lid. And when I look in the plans, it says that that's material for creating stands, or it calls it V-blocks, for the wing leading edge skin. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a template painted on the box, or if it just means use the box material or the crate material to create those V-block stands. So if anyone knows what that means, feel free to leave a comment below, because otherwise I'll just go buy some 2x2s from Home Depot and make those. Also, good news, I did bring from home, I have a doggy gate, which actually was one whole gate, or it folds together and makes like a doggy playpen. Anyway, I installed one half of it at my house so I could close off the doggy door section and let Lita out when I need to go somewhere, but she can stay home but still have her doggy door. And anyway, I had one half of that left to bring to the hangar, and it fits perfect. So now I can leave the door open, which brings in some nice cool air, which is a lot nicer than having the door closed, which also means I can probably maneuver the cooler and get cool air when it gets hot. Although I don't know how useful that's going to be, because once I'm done building the fuel system and putting the fuselage halves together, I'm thinking I'm going to build the wings in my garage, because then I won't have to come out to the hangar to do it. And I think there's enough space now, seeing how relatively little space the parts all take up. So anyway, that's the end of this video. If you want to come chat RVs or talk about your crate inventory, come join our Slack group. The link is in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.